Right, let's go to check the answers for 18.1 exercise. Right, in this exercise given, convert fractions and decimals into percentage. Right, you have to convert into percentages. Then what you have to do, if you want to convert any fraction or any decimal value to percentages, you have to multiply it by 100%. Right, now look at the first one. First one given 1 over 2. 1 over 2 you have to multiply by 100%. Then also you know 100 is the numerator value and 1 also the numerator value, 2 is the denominator value. Right, then numerator and denominator values you can simplify. Right, 2 and 100 you can divide by 2. Right, now let's go to divide them. 2 divide to 1, 100 divide to 50. Then 1 multiply 50, answer is 50. So what is the percentage value? 50%. Right, so first part answer is 50%. Second one given 0.7. 0.7 also you have to convert into fraction. Right, if you want fraction decimal value convert into percentage, you have to multiply it by 100%. Right, this 0.7 you have to convert into percentages. So this one you have to multiply by 100%. 0.7 multiply 100. 100 has, there are two zeros, so this decimal point you have to take two places to your right hand side when you multiply by 100. Then what is the answer? One place you can go, then after 7 you can keep the decimal point, then another place we have to move, then another zero you can put end of this decimal value. So what is the answer? 70%. 70%. Right, it is the second part answer. Then let's go to the third part. Third part given 2.4. Right, 2.4 you have to convert into percentage. Then what you have to do? 2.4 you have to multiply by 100%. Right, if you want to convert any fraction or decimal value convert into percentage, you have to multiply by 100%. Then when you multiply the decimal value by 100, you have to take the decimal point towards your right hand side two places. One place we can move, then another zero you can put here, then we can move two places. So what is the answer? 240%. 240%. Right, then let's go to the fourth part. 7.8 also we have to multiply by 100%. Then this decimal point you have to take two places to your right hand side. So the answer is 780%. 780%. Right, it is the fourth part answer. Then look at number 5. Number 5 given 4.025. So you have to multiply by 100% to convert into percentage. Then two places you have to take your decimal point to your right hand side. 1, 2. That means between 2 and 5 you have to keep the decimal point. So the answer is 402.5%. 402.5%. Right, it is the fifth part. Right, are you correct your answers now? These first five parts? Yes. Okay, then let's go to the next one. 6 you have to convert into percentage. Right, if you want anyone convert into percentage, you have to multiply it by 100%. Then this 6 you can multiply by 100%. Right, 6 multiply 100, 600. So the answer is 600%. It is the sixth part answer. Right, then let's go to the next one. 0.067. Then we can multiply by 100% to convert percentage. Then you have to take the decimal point 2 places to your right hand side. 1, 2. Then you have to keep the decimal point between 6 and 7. So the answer is 6.7%. 6.7%. Right? It is the seventh part answer. Next one, look at number 8. 111 over 50. It is a mixed number, no? Right? Before converting to percentage of this mixed number, first you have to convert it into improper fraction. Right? Then 50 times 1, 50. 50 plus 11, 61. 61 over 50. It is the improper fraction of this mixed number. Then this one you have to convert into percentage. So you have to multiply by 100%. Now you can simplify numerator and denominator values. 50 and 100 we can divide by 2. We can divide by 50. 50 divide 51. 100 divide 52. Then you can multiply these two values, 61 and 2. 61 multiplied to 120 to 122%. 122%. Right? It is number 8. Then next one, look at number 9. 1 over 3. To convert into percentage, this value you have to multiply by 100%. We can't simplify numerator and denominator values. So separately you multiply the numerators. 1 multiply 100, 100 divide 3. Right? Then quickly you can divide 100 by 3. Then you can get the answer. 10 divide 3, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Remaining 1. Then this 10, this 0 you can take here. 10 divide 3. Again 3. 3 times 3, 9. Remaining 1. Further we have to divide, so you can put 0. Then also you have to keep the decimal point here. 10 divide 3, again 3. 3 times 3, 9. Right, then like this you have to divide further, but one decimal place enough to get the answer. So what is the answer? 33.3. It is number 9. Right? 33.3. It is number 9. Then let's go to number 10. Number 10 given 5 over 6. It is another fraction. You have to convert into percentage. So you have to multiply by 100%. Right? This value you have to multiply by 100%. We can't simplify numerator and denominator values, so you multiply 5 and 100. 500 divide. Before it you can divide, no? 6 and 100 you can divide by 2. 6 divide 2, 3. 100 divide 2, 50. Then 5 multiply to 50, 250 divide 3%. Then 250 you can divide by 3. 250 divide 3. 25 divide 3, 8. 8 times 3, 24. Remaining 1. Then this 0 you can take here. 10 divide 3. 3. 3 times 3, 9. Remaining 1. Another 0 you can put here. Then you have to keep the decimal point. 10 divide 3, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Further you have to divide. So one decimal place you can keep the answer. 83.3%. 83.3%. Right, then another two parts remaining. Next one, look at 9 over 11. 9 over 11 also we have to convert into percentage, so you have to multiply by 100%. Numerator denominator values we can't simplify, so you multiply 9 and 100. 900 divide 11. Then 900 you can divide by 11, right? You can simplify it. 900 divide 11. 90 divide 11, 8. 8 times 11, 88. Remaining 2. 20 divide 11, 1. 1 times 11, 11. Remaining 9. Then you can put 0, then keep the decimal point. 90 divide 11, 8. 8 times 11, 88. Remaining 2. Further you have to divide like this. So you can keep the answer into one decimal place. So the answer you can get as 81.8%, right? 81.8%. It is number 11. Then the last one, look at 1 3 over 7. It is another mixed number. So first you have to convert into improper fraction. 7 times 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Then this one you have to convert into percentage. So you have to multiply by 100%. We can't simplify numerator and denominators. So 10 and 100 you can multiply. 1000 divide 7. Right, now you check what is the answer. 1000 divide 7. 1000 you have to divide by 7. 1 times 7, 7. Remaining 3, 30. 30 divide 7, 4. 4 times 7, 28. Remaining 2. Then another 0 you can put here. 20 divide 7, 2. 2 times 7, 14. Remaining 6, 60. 60 divide 7, 8. 8 times 7, 56. One decimal place enough. Then you can get the answer 142.8. So last one answer is 142.8%. Right. It is the last part task. Right. Using this exercise, you can understand how you can multiply, how you can convert fractions and decimals into percentages, right? If you want to convert fractions and decimals into percentages, you have to multiply the given fraction or given decimal value by 100%. Then after simplifying, you can get the final answer.